2, 3, action.
So just state your name and spell it, and that'd be great, and we'll get right into it.
Colby Spivey with Spivey Insurance Group, and it's COLBY as in Victor, EY.
So just a little bit how the insurance industry, that's big, large, wide, and deep. Tell us how you got there, and then what specialty? Is there a specialty side to your insurance?
Yeah. So everybody's favorite thing, insurance. So
Isn't it
it is. So it actually started a family business, created in Union County, from my dad. And my mom joined in later. Been around for over 30 years. So I'm the second generation in the insurance industry. I handle a lot of the commercial products and everything. As for this type of specialty that we do, it kind of organically formed. It's actually pretty funny that here at Lizzie Motors, we've had them for going on 5 years or so. Great people, Hannah and Sam. Remember from day one when they started and to where they are now and what they're doing to help this industry out is phenomenal. So actually kind of started from, if you want to go back to then, started with insuring them and working with them to then come to find out some other clients of ours that are in this industry kind of had some struggles with some carriers that they were using. And, just to be honest with you, a lot of everybody in this industry is really, really great people.
Yep.
And I kind of saw like a need for some carrier to step up in a sense to give them a little more competitive rating versus, the one or two that are there. So, it's been kind of an ongoing process with a lot of carriers for the last year or so, trying to find somebody to build an actual niche market for this niche industry. So really that's kind of the long of where we came from, but I think now we're in a really good spot of actually serving this niche industry right now.
So would you say that with that work that you've done, you've kind of created your own exclusive products, so to speak, for this industry? Would that be a safe statement to say?
Yeah, absolutely. We've actually working with a carrier right now that's still actively building out the plan. So from special endorsements and also removing special exclusions that happen on policies that a lot of times people don't know, like if something were to roll off or do something like that, what would happen. So we're very actively adjusting things with these one or two markets that I'm working with right now.
Good. So just so we're all clear, you will insure cans and trucks and motors?
Everything. Yeah. So everything, the actual truck itself, the equipment on the truck, the cans, obviously your employee that's driving, the actual liability for when the can gets dropped off, what happens to it. Same thing with the actual property, if it were to be stolen, damaged, anything like that. Kind of made a tailored program actually for everything right now.
Wow. So we just talked to Phil We Haul, is that right? Their proprietary little skid things to go under there.
Yep.
It's kind of like, if you do this, you maybe could get cheaper insurance. Maybe there's something there to investigate to get them there. I mean, I'm just saying that there's an idea out there. You got it.
There's always a way.
There's always a way.
That's right.
Buy this and you get 2% off because it reduces your risk. Who knows?
That's right.
And hey, I love how creative.
Sign you up tomorrow.
There you go, just like that. So obviously you've talked about the relationship with Lizzie Motors and Sam and Hannah and things like that. So just give me a little bit of if somebody was starting out and wanting to get into this, is there some advice from your perspective that you would like to that you would share with them?
Well, right now getting in is absolute perfect time. I mean, I actually have spoke to several of our clients that are here today. That unfortunately some of them have gone through some tough times of where rates shouldn't be where they should be. But now that we have this exclusive plan that's been built, I would say now is a great time looking at forming your company, getting into this industry. I would definitely go all in on making this happen.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Hannah, do you think there's anything else? I love it. Well, if there's anything else you want to share about Lizzie Motors and the products that they have, I know that you've got a relationship built with them, but you've seen them grow, right?
Yep.
Over 5 years. Yep. And you've seen their vision and their passion. Speak to that just for about 30 seconds. Something about whether it's integrity or just what you saw, the growth and all that stuff.
Yeah, it's always fulfilling to see people, that are so humble from the beginning, reach out to you for your service and have that instant connection with them that you want those people to succeed. And to see that over the years, I mean, driving by and seeing the actual success is pretty cool. But it's fulfilling to know that you have a little small part in their success, to help build the business that they've gotten to. So
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. That